There's one right there. There's a raven right there. See if I might get his attention. Yep, here he comes. Yeah, this one recognizes me for sure. Oh yeah. What up, dude? Oh, he's not afraid of me at all. Come here, brother. Oops. I'll feed you all day, man. Maybe I shouldn't. Oh, shit. This guy came out of nowhere. I think they're about to bang. I hope this flock of seagulls isn't coming over here. Oh, here's another one. Oh, he got that out of the air. He caught it out of the air. They caught it out the air. What are you guys doing? Catch it out the air. Oh, we got a seagull coming over here thinking he's gonna get some food. That's not happening. Who's gonna get the closest? Look at that. Who's gonna get the closest? Come on, motherfucker. Well, he's not. She or he. Look at all those riches. All those riches. It's like 6 feet away from me. Oh, some closer ones. Oh shit, the water. Oh, get it, get it. Oh. Who's gonna follow me? Who's gonna follow me? Who's gonna follow me? Who's gonna follow me? Playing a dangerous game, guys. Oh shit, they're banging. Whoa! I turn around, they get really close. Oh, here comes the homies. There they go. Catch it. Oh, they caught it. Who's gonna follow me? Leaving breadcrumbs. Woohoo! Shit. Who's gonna follow me? Toss him right there. Yeah, get it, motherfucker. Right there. You guys gotta get closer. Who's gonna get it? Who's bold enough? This one keeps jumping up like I'm gonna throw it back at him. I might. How close can you get? There you go. How close are you gonna get? That's so fucking close. This whole mob over here, man. Got the whole gang. Look, there's a crab right there, guys. There's a crab right there. Dude, they're getting close. Look, this guy's trying to run over this side on me. This side on me. Got the ocean rolling up. Cool. Yeah, get in front of me, dipshit. I want to walk backwards the whole time. Just going one at a time. Got the homies gathered around though. Try and catch it. Hey dipshit, catch it. Can you catch it? Can you catch it? There we go. There we go. That's how you do it. Okay, you want to try and catch it? There you go. This is better than eating off the ground. Who's next? Look, he got it too. That's 3 in a row. You want to try and catch one? You can catch one. Look at that. Skills. It's pretty windy too. You gonna try and catch one? Oh, he got one. Can you catch it? That was a snatch. Oh, that was skill right there. All right, he's gonna catch one in the air. All right, try and catch one in the air. Go up. Just go up in the air. Here you go. Ah, you dipshit. Want to catch one? Come here. Look, that was such an easy catch. These dudes is gangster. Because one of them will get it and the other one will watch. Easy catch. Hey, get that seagull out of here. We don't feed seagulls around here. Look, see, and then he just like ghosted it. Here, you want to try and catch one? Man, they're banging it out. You want to try and catch one? That was a good catch. There's a little guy right there. Oh, snaked. Snaked. Can I go for it? Same person. Or same raven, whatever. No, the seagull got it. Come on, guys, let's get our shit together. You want to catch one? That was a catch. That was a catch. Look, this one's getting close. Here, let's get Fat Boy right here. Nope. Couldn't hack it. They're all behind me. Still couldn't hack it. Man, these seagulls is all in my shit. You caught it. You caught it. I'm just gonna... I'm done, homies. Look at that. Just offer me a stick? You just give me a stick? No, that's not what happened.
Just offer me a stick?
Where'd it go? That raven just dropped this off right in front of me. You saw that shit. I'm telling you, man, I got 2 other things that they've given me before. I'm keeping this one. That's on cam. That's on cam, you saw that. For sure, that raven just gave me this fucking stick. It's like, thanks for the food, homie. Because I come out here and feed them all the time. Usually it's like unsalted cashews and unsalted, like raisins with no fruit, with no sugar added, but like there it is up there too. Usually it's like not much. Today I had some flavored stuff and they were going ape shit over it. Maybe it's a present, I don't know.